All right, another thing we have learned to do this year is compare decimals. So this is a type of question you might see. In a race, Emily's time was 12 and 1/10 seconds. Hannah's time was 12 and 34 hundredths seconds. And Anna's time was 12 and 1/100 seconds. Who won the race? All right, when I look to see the question, who won the race, when you're running a race, do you want your time to be slow or fast? You want it to be fast, which means less time, which means I'm looking for the least or the smallest number. So I'm comparing this number, and this number. And the way that we do that with decimals is to write them on top of each other. So give me a sec to erase. Okay, so Emily's time was 12 and 1/100th. Hannah's was 12 and 34 hundredths. And Anna's time was 12 and 1/100th. All right, when I'm comparing decimals, it's very important, just like when I'm adding and subtracting, that I line up my decimal points so I can look at the place values compared to each other. So now I can start with my largest place value, which is the tens place, 1, 1, 1. Those are not gonna help me because they're all the same, so I'm gonna cross it out. Ones place, I've got 2, 2, 2. Again, all the same, not gonna help me. All right, now when I'm looking at 1, 3, and 0, I can tell there is a difference here. 1, 3, and 0, remember, I'm looking for who won, or the smallest time, which means that this one is the smallest, because 0 is smaller than 3 and 1, which means that this whole number is smaller than the other two.